Open any trading app right now. Look at the chart. Most of you are seeing a picture. You should be seeing a record. That's the whole gap, and it's costing you money. Here's the thing nobody tells you when you learn how to read a stock chart in India. A chart isn't a prediction machine, it's an attendance register. Every mark on it is a deal that already happened. Real money, real people. Once that clicks, the screen stops being scary. By the end of this video, you'll open a chart and know exactly what you're looking at. That's it. 4. Now, why did nobody explain it this way? Because the first chart video you ever watched sold you a pattern. Head and shoulders, cup and handle, some name. You learned pattern names before you learned what a price even is. That's like memorizing cricket field placements before you know what a run is. So you see a shape, you feel something is happening, you press buy on a feeling, then it goes the other way, and you decide charts don't work. They work. You were just never taught the alphabet. We're doing the alphabet today. So, a stock chart has exactly two axes. That's the entire foundation. Vertical axis, price in rupees, how much one share cost. Horizontal axis, time, left is older, right is now. Every single dot on that screen is one sentence. At this time, someone paid this price. Stop the video. Open your app, point at your screen. Which side is time? Which side is price? If that took more than 2 seconds, this video is for you. Now, one thing that trips up almost everyone, the chart moves right on its own. Time passes whether or not anything happens, but price only moves when a trade happens. No trade, no movement. That's why a sleepy small cap looks like a flat line, and Nifty on budget day looks like an ECG. Same two axes, different amount of activity. Right. 4 things. Every chart you'll ever open has these. 1. The price scale on the right. Learn to read the gaps between the numbers, not just the numbers. A stock moving from price zone to price zone looks dramatic if the scale is tight and boring if it's wide. Same move, different picture. 2. The time scale at the bottom. This tells you what one mark represents. 1 day, 1 hour, 5 minutes. We do a whole video on this next. 3. The price marks themselves, lines, bars or candles. Right now, just know they're all showing the same data, dressed differently. 4. The volume bars at the bottom. How many shares change hands? This is the one beginners hide, and it's the one that tells you whether anybody actually cared. That's it. That's the chart. Everything else, moving averages, RSI, that thing your friend added, is a calculation sitting on top of these 4. Optional, later. Let's actually read one out loud like a sentence. Left side around date range. Price sits flat near price zone. Volume bars are short. Translation, nobody's interested. The stock is asleep. Middle, price steps up. Volume bars get taller at the same time. Translation, more people showed up and they were willing to pay more. Right side, price is still high, but the volume bars shrink back down. Translation, the crowd left. The price just hasn't reacted yet. That's a reading. No pattern name, no indicator, just describing what the register says. Try it right now on any stock you own. Say it out loud in one sentence. Price did this, volume did that. If you can't say it in one sentence, you don't understand the chart yet, and that's fine. That's the work. Do this for 10 charts a day for 2 weeks and something changes. You stop guessing and you start describing. Description comes before prediction. Always. Now the 3 things that quietly wreck beginners here. Mistake 1. Judging a stock by the shape of the line. A chart that looks like it's going up means nothing on its own. Check the price scale and the time scale first. Zoom out and half of those rockets are flat. Mistake 2. Ignoring volume completely. Price without volume is a rumor. It's a crowded looking Instagram photo taken from one angle. Mistake 3. Adding indicators to feel less lost. More lines don't reduce confusion, they hide it. If you can't read the bear chart, no indicator saves you. Think of an auto rickshaw meter. Price is the fare on the display. Volume is how far the wheels actually turned. If the fare jumps and the wheels didn't move, something's off and you should ask questions before paying. Screenshot this one. This is the whole video on one card. The velocity rule for reading a chart. 5 lines, read them before every chart you open this week and see the difference in your trading approach. So, quick recap, and then one thing I want you to actually do. A chart is a record, not a prophecy. 2 axes, price and time. 4 things on screen, price scale, time scale, price marks, volume. That's how to read a stock chart in India or anywhere. The exchange changes, the alphabet doesn't. Your homework: open one chart tonight, describe it in one sentence. Don't trade it, just describe it. Next video, we go one level deeper. What a single candle is telling you and why most people read them backwards. Subscribe and hit the bell so that one lands in front of you. Want the pre-market levels I mark up each morning? Telegram link is in the description. See you in the next one.